Hey kids, it's the old goat James here, and I am going to be doing an unboxing video today of my 170 watt solar panel that I bought to use with my Jackery. So here goes. As unboxing goes, this may be less than exciting. But this is my first one, so it's exciting to me. Turn around and give a big reveal of the cardboard box inside. Okay. You see how it's packed inside. This doesn't appear to be taped. The cardboard just sort of tucks inside the panel here. Nice protective foam that was on the front. Now you can see here's the now here's the 3-foot cable with the MC4 connectors. There's one positive and one negative. I'll insert a close-up of those. Plastic there. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. 170 watts, puts out up to 30 volts, which the Jackery can, no, I think it puts up near 21 volts. And the Jackery can accept up to 30 volts, but not over that. And there's the connector box and the cables. This is made by Bouge RV, 170 watts. Okay, now as a little bonus, I have another unboxing. I won't tell you where it's from, but you can probably guess. These are the cables that I got to go with the solar panel and use it with the Jackery. Okay, first this is my extension cables. You see I've got one red and one black, and these are 30 feet long. So my ultimate goal is to have the solar panel mounted on top of the van, and then these cables run inside, and I should be able to reach the Jackery whether I want to use it in the back or the front. Probably longer than I needed, but it's better to have a little extra flexibility. And they also have those MC4 cables, so they connect right into the solar panel. No way to get it wrong. And then lastly, I have this, let's open this up. exciting. Ooh. Okay, now these cables, they have the MC4 connectors on one end, and then they have a Jackery power pole connector on the other end, and that goes right into the Jackery. The Jackery can accept either an 8mm input, like used with the wall charger, or these power poles. So now I just can plug this. I can plug this right into the solar panel and plug the other end into the Jackery, and I'll be good to go. Okay, y'all, that was the unboxing of the Bouge RV solar panel and extension cables and connector cable for the Jackery. I look forward to doing some testing out in the yard. It should be a beautiful sunny day here in central North Carolina. So I'm just going to lay the solar panel out in the yard and plug the Jackery in and see what kind of power I'm getting out of it. All right, kids, talk to you soon. Please like and subscribe.